How to sign up for a Forex trading account. Follow these steps to create a Forex trading account securely and efficiently. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser on your desktop and simply type down forex.com and go to the official Forex trading website. Now, once you're inside the website, you can see sign in option available in the top right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the sign in and navigate to the sign in page. Now, once you're inside the sign in page, all you have to do is enter your username and password associated with your Forex trading account and simply tap on the login option available there. If you don't have any account, then you will have to fill out the registration details with your full name, email address, phone number, country of residence, and verify your email and simply create an account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.